Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another topic of aptitude today, which is logarithm. So before moving on to the topic, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Before moving on to the concept of logarithm, we will solve the homework problem first, which was given in alligation and mixture part 2, and after that we will see logarithm. A dishonest milkman professes to sell his milk at cost price, but he mixes it with water and thereby gains 25%. The percent of water in the mixture is. Okay, so we have to calculate the percentage of water in the mixture. We'll consider let the CP of 1 liter milk be rupees 1, then SP would be rupees 1, and gain is 25% as it is given. Now CP of 1 liter mixture is 100 by 125 into 1, which is 4 by 5. Now we will apply the rule of alligation. If you do not know the rule of alligation, so it was explained in alligation and mixture part 1. So mean price will be in middle. Here is rupees 1, here 0, 4 by 5 and 1 by 5. Mean price is 4 by 5. So ratio of milk to water is 4 by 5 ratio 1 by 5, that is 4 ratio 1. So percentage of water in the mixture is 1 by 5 into 100, that is 20%. So that means percentage of water in that mixture is 20%, which is your answer. This is the list of aptitude topics which we have covered. Almost all the topics are done, few topics are left. In each last part of the video of these all topics, there is a practice sheet for you guys. Solve that because that is very important and you can face any aptitude exam once you solve all the questions of all the videos and the practice sheet as well. If you have any queries in any of the video or any topic, you can tell us in the comment section. Moving on to the concept of logarithm. So what is logarithm? If a is a positive real number other than 1 and am equals to x, then we write m equals to log base a and x, and we say the value of log x to the base a is m. That means the statement is read as value of log x to the base a is m. For example, 10, 3 and 1000, that is value of 10 to the base 3 is log 10,000. You can write it as, so the value is 3. For similarly for all the things you can say here, for log 3 base and 81 is 4, log 1 by 8 base 2 is 1 minus 3, and for log 0.01 and base 0.1 is 2. Properties of logarithms. So these are some formulas you can say which will be used in the question. So you need to know these formulas by heart. Let's say log xy to the base a. So you can write it as log x plus log y both to the base a. Log x by y to base a, log x log y subtracted by each other and the base is a. Log x and the base is x, so that is 1. Log 1 and base a is 0. Log x to the power n and base a is written as n log x base a. Log x and base a is written as 1 by log a base x, and log x a can also be written as log x base b and log a base b, which will be equals to log x divided by log a. Common logarithms. So logarithm to the base 10 are known as common logarithm. The logarithm of a number contain two parts, namely characteristics and mantissa. So what is characteristics? Internal part of logarithm of a number is called characteristics. For example, case 1, when the number is greater than 1. In this case, the characteristic is 1 less than the number of digits in the left to the decimal point in the given number. And case 2, In this case, the characteristic is 1 more than the number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit of the number, and it is negative. Instead of -1 or -2 etc., we write 1 bar or 2 bar etc. For example, you can see if the number is 654.24, characteristic is 2 here. In case of 26.649, it is 1. 8.3457 is 0. And similarly, the numbers are given which is less than 1. Here 0.6453 is characteristic 1. 0.06134 characteristic 2, and 0.00123 characteristic 3. Okay, so you must be confused in this, but let me explain. So what happens here is, you can see that here number is greater than 1. In case of if the number is greater than 1, how to find characteristics? What happens is, characteristic is 1 less than the number of digits in the left. These are the number of digits in left, and the characteristics will be 1 less. There are 3, so the characteristics will be 2. There are 2, so characteristic will be 1, and there is 1, so the characteristic will be 0. Similarly, if the number is less than 1, so what happens if the number is less than 1? Characteristic is 1 more than the number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit, and it is negative. Instead of -1 and -2, we write 1 bar or 2 bar etc. That means within this decimal point here and this first digit here, you can say the number of zeros we have to count, and the characteristics will be +1 with that respect to that. So here is no 0, then 1. Here was 1 0, then the answer is 2, and here were 2 zeros, so the answer is 3. Characteristic is 3. The second part, mantissa. The decimal part of the logarithm of a number is known as mantissa. So for mantissa, we will look through the log table, and this is all about the concept of logarithm. In the next part, we will see and deal with some of the questions so that we will be more clear with the basics. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.